Do you suffer from the fear of failure? You're scared that if you go out there and try to make new friends, it's not gonna work. People are not gonna like you. You're starting a new business, you're about to approach this new girl, you're scared it's not gonna work out. Or you have this general fear of failing in life, a fear of handling or dealing with life and all of its aspects. Luckily for you, I'm gonna tell you exactly how to release this fear so that you can go out there and accomplish exactly what you need to accomplish. I'm gonna be sharing realizations from my own journey and a very powerful technique that you could use to release the fear, feel much more confidence. It's all about feeling that you can handle life. If you feel that you can handle all of life, then it's very easy to handle a small aspect of life, like dating, approaching women, approaching people, making friends, business, etc. By the end of this video, if you apply exactly what I'm about to show you, you will be able to eliminate or at least reduce, drastically reduce your fear of failure, fear of going out there and dealing with life, dealing with people, getting what you want. What is the big realization I had recently that released most of my fear? Well, I discovered that fear of life or fear of failure is more like a tunnel visioning that your mind does. It's a selective memory kind of problem. So your mind selects and exaggerates the memories, the rare occurrences, the rare negative occurrences. What do I mean by this? I mean, you got rejected harshly by some girl at some point in your life. I think we all did as men. You approach a girl and she says, F you, F off, leave me alone, or whatever it is. If you have some kind of a anxiety, an attachment style problem, okay, especially if you have anxious attachment, your mind is gonna overblow the negatives. Your mind tends to, if you also have low self-esteem problems, your mind is gonna tend to focus and exaggerate negative feedback about the self. So, the fear of life, the fear of failure, fear of approaching, fear of making new friends, fear of approaching this group of people, you can simply release it by expanding this tunnel vision onto the negative that your mind is doing. How do we do this? Well, it's very simple. Look back into your past. Let's take examples, an easy example, which is approaching women. Look back into your past and remember all the times. Just feel those memories. You don't have to clearly remember, like in detail, all the memories. Just feel all these memories in some sort of like a flashback, whereas like you could see almost all these memories at once in just a few seconds. And feel those positive memories. All the memories, all the moments in which you actually did approach a girl and it did work. You got a number, or she was interested, or maybe she wasn't, but it was a very nice conversation overall. Now that your mind has opened itself up to the positive memories, the fear should release. You can clearly experience a shift right now. You should be able to see or feel, wait a second, I did this in the past many times. Now, to go even further with the positive effect that we're trying to induce here with this exercise, we go backwards, and from this positive perspective that you are capable based on past experience, let's ask, now that you realize that you're capable, let's ask, why is my mind creating fear of failure if I know that I am capable? Stay with that for a little bit. And you should come to experience a second shift right now, which is your mind is now looking at its own delusion, basically. The reason why your mind keeps the fear alive is because it's simply, in a very absurd kind of way, only focused on those rare, it was at least only focused on those rare occurrences. It was only focused on the rare negative rejections and negative situations that happen to you when it comes to dating and approaching women. Look back at the past 5 to 10 years of your life. Some guys watching this, maybe they don't have a lot of experience approaching women, okay, which is totally fine. Then you can remember positive experiences that you had with women, maybe female friends, okay? And you write down those positive memories. And before engaging in these, in the pursuit of these goals, before you go out and try to approach women, for example, read this list. It's gonna reduce the fear drastically. Be it fear of approaching, fear of failing, but it's all about fear of rejection, fear of approaching. Why do you need to read this list? Well, you should do it for like a couple weeks, or as much as you feel is necessary for you to. You will start to feel like your mind brings up this realization automatically. Then you could let go of the list. You don't have to read anymore. Well, the problem again is a tunnel visioning. I don't know if this word exists in English, but the problem is a tunnel vision. Why does it happen? Well, it's because of trauma, because of your attachment style. You could do your own research. I have videos about that, where if you have anxious attachment style, for example, your mind tends to overblow the negative and focus on negatives, and it makes you feel bad about yourself. It makes you feel incompetent because it's not, no matter how much you accomplish, your mind doesn't register your accomplishments. It's only focused on the girl that rejected you yesterday, but never really registering the girl who accepted you the day before yesterday. You see, it's always trying to look for validation and approval of the people who didn't accept you. Over focusing subconsciously. And you fix this by making that tunnel vision, or that tunnel, more flexible. You make it into a bigger tunnel that includes the positive also. Getting rejected in dating is a possibility. It is a possibility. I'm not saying it's not going to happen. It is going to happen. Getting rejected harshly, well, that depends on how you approach. But you can minimize that drastically. If you're approaching super weird, super creepy, well, we got to fix that. Check in the link in the description below. If you're getting like crazy harsh rejections from all women that you approach, or you're always getting rejected left and right, then there's a problem to fix. There's a deep inner game issue that needs to be fixed. I have my calendar in the description below. You could book a free consultation and let's talk about it, okay? But other than that, for most guys, all you need to do is to reduce the fear. You gotta show your mind that you were and are still capable. Remember, fear of dealing with life is a misperception or a selective memory kind of problem where your mind is drawing on the negative, is so focused on the negative. Or you made some friends but you lost them, or they turn out to be not a match. Or you thought they were a match but after a few weeks, a few months, the friendship ended because they turn out to be maybe not the best match, or narcissists, or whatever. Your mind just focuses on how things ended. It doesn't tell you, it was positive until. No, your mind is like, people are crazy. I'm never gonna make any friends. Everybody's a narcissist. Everybody is this, that, the other. Why? Because your mind is only looking at how things ended. Remember that. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one.